开播了。放邮件。Hi, good night, guys. Welcome to a Global PTT official live. Watch the live. Here I have a free gift. Okay, the Global PTT Joel. Watch the live. We can offer the Joel to you for free. And now we have deals for you discount now on TK. So if you want to get a lower price 5 to 8 plus module, you can check it on TK. Okay, and we also sell it on Amazon now. Amazon, if you are Amazon Prime member, you will also have a big discount through Amazon. Okay, this is a free gift. Watch the live, you can get it for free. But remember, when you send me your shipping address, send the correct one. Now I will pass it. I will pass it and start to show the radius. Actually, this live is not sales live, not sell the products. We will teach how to use this walkie-talkie and introduce the function of the radius. Okay, see here in the front actually is one of our latest product from global-ptt. It is a 3 standby 4G radius. Okay, 3 standby 4G walkie-talkie. The first line it is global-ptt, and in the middle it is VHF. The last line is UHF. So 3 standby, global-ptt, UHF, and VHF. This is the package box. POC walkie-talkie plus UHF and VHF push-to-talk nationwide. Okay, dual screen independent display, dual mode independent TX. TX send message out. Okay, dual speaker independent playback. There are 2 speakers. Actually, it's 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there are 3 speakers at the on the walkie-talkie. We press the PTT button, we can send a message out, and the right side PTT button, we can send a message out under the UHF and VHF analog mode. Hello, David. And it works not only under the global PTT but also UV dual band. Okay. Here is the new product 5 to 8 plus. And on the top, there is a small screen. Yeah, it is global-ptt and VHF. Global-ptt and VHF. You can check here. Press the PTT button, which is send a message out under global-ptt. You can see here is global-ptt. We are in global-ptt1 group. When we're talking under global-ptt mode, we need to we need the SIM card. Okay, and here is the SIM card. I show here this is the SIM card we offer to our client for the American market. It is good for 174 countries. So when you travel around, the walkie-talkie still can work. National walkie-talkie. Okay. And beside the global-ptt, the second line and the third line, we can see the UHF and VHF. The UV dual band, it actually is just the same a traditional ham radio or traditional GMRS radio. We can use this walkie-talkie to talk to some other brand or some other ham radios. We need to set them in the same frequency. Okay, if we are not in the same frequency, we can't talk to them, and it can be different brand. Okay, but we must set them in the same frequency. We program them. Okay, and they are compatible with each other. How to set the frequency on this walkie-talkie? There are 2 ways to set the frequency on it. The first one, we can just come to the mode selection. Select the mode. Here's the mode selection. Okay, we select the frequency mode. Okay, now the radio is in the frequency mode, and then we can set it in channel mode. Then the radio will be set in channel mode. If we want to set the frequency, we must set it in frequency mode. Okay, and then we can set our frequency on it. The frequency range of this walkie-talkie, it is 136 to 174. Okay, 136 to 174. Yeah, here will be the frequency range. Okay, under the VHF, and there you can see there is a UHF. The UHF frequency will be 400 to 490. Okay, it will be 400 to 490. That it will be the frequency range. Yeah, 490. We can set the frequency just by click those buttons. But before we set the frequency, we need to go to the mode selection, set it in frequency mode. Okay, and if you don't know the frequency of the other radios, we can copy frequency. Okay, how to achieve that? First, press the menu button, go to number 4, frequency scan. Okay, select it. Okay, then we can scan the frequency of the other radios you want to talking to. Yeah, the other radios we need to press the PTT button, long press the PTT button. Then we can copy its frequency and we can talk each other. Okay, there's another way to program this walkie-talkie to program your own frequency on it. Here is the second way. We use the cable wire. Okay, here is the cable wire. We can connect it to the right side, right interface. Okay, to connect here and then connect to your computer. Download the software from our web. Okay, download the software and then you can install the driver. Okay, after you install the driver, restart the computer, install the software, it will work. Okay, we can use the computer to program it. It is not very hard. I take some videos to show. Yeah, I just make some videos to show how to set it or how to program it. Just use a computer to program it. Yeah, you can check my videos, you will know it is not very hard. Okay, and the problems, okay, for now, I think for our customers, when you program it, it's about the driver. Okay, the driver is not installed properly, so that's why sometimes the radio can't be recognized by the computer. If you don't know or you can't do that properly, you can come to us. We're gonna to help you to show you how to do that. Or I have a electronic user's manual for programming. You can come to me. I will send it to you. This is the 528 Plus. Okay, 528 Plus. And on the top there is there's just show the working mode to working mode. Okay, and it also shows the 4G signal and SOS function. 528 Plus, it is capable of SOS and GPS. Okay, if you are first responder of the team, I think the SOS and GPS, it will be a must for you. Yeah, because in emergency case, it can save your life. Firefighter, policeman, we need the SOS. And how does the SOS works? Yeah, after we press the second small round button here, the SOS alarm, it will be on. Yeah, and in the global-ptt system, in the dispatcher, on the dispatcher account, you will notice that the radios, now there will be a red mark on the dispatcher. You will notice that the radio is now in an SOS mode, and the location of the radios, you can see that. And you can handle it with a dispatcher account. This is black, and we also have a green color. This is green color. Two colors to choose. Yeah, to choose. You can order it with a good price now in Tiki or Amazon, because now it's Amazon Prime Day, and the Tiki, there's deals for you. The price both are low, and on Amazon the original price for it is $599. After discount, if you are Amazon Prime member, the price is only $400 above. okay, less than 500. And also on TK, the price is the same, but after discount, after the coupon, the price is also 400 above, less than 500, and two colors to choose, 400 above for 2 radios, 2 SIM card, and 1 year service. The platform service is lifetime free. Okay, the global-ptt platform, the global-ptt servers, you can use it for lifetime free. Okay, this is a global-ptt servers. We have the servers in North American, in South American, in Australian, in Middle East, okay, in Africa. Okay, here is our global-ptt servers. We can achieve international call through the global-ptt servers. And guys, you can use our platform for free, and we offer you manager's account, we offer you agent account or common account or user's account to manage the platform just by your to manage the groups just by yourself. Okay, just sign in here, you can manage them. And now we just upgrade our platform to 2.0. Okay, so you will have a new platform to use. For now, we're still using the 1.0. Yeah, we will upgrade our system, our web. Yeah, and after we upgrade it, before we can purchase a SIM card through our web. Okay, now we can purchase a new SIM card through the web, and we can check the data that remaining data in the SIM card, and we can also check the expire date. We can renew the SIM card directly through the web. Now I want to pass it. This is one of the new product. Next, I want to show you another new product, and also the one that I recommend best for the customers to buy. And this one is the G8 Plus model. Actually, I recommend it best because it really works great. Okay, no matter you use it for work or you will use it for family, it works good. It is a high quality radio. It's dual band. Okay, it's dual band. If you have 4G, you can see the first line. It is a global-ptt. It's 4G. It works under the 4G. And the second line, it is UHF. It's a global-ptt and UHF analog mode. The first line, we can press PTT button to send message out under global-ptt mode. And the second line, we press the PTT button, send a message out under the UHF analog mode. Yeah, that is the 2 working modes. And upon testing, okay, our client, they said this one, the battery is more long-lasting than the other radios. Because you can, if you like the design, you can test it by yourself, the G8 Plus model. And there is an FM radio on it. FM radio. We can listen to the news, we can listen to the music, just listen to some local frequency. Okay, this is the FM channel. Set the frequency you want to listen to, and you can listen to the frequency on it. This one is G8 Plus. Okay, it is a global band 4G radios. It's two in one. Yeah, if you have 4G, you can talk worldwide. First, the radio is a global band, and then we have a global SIM card for you. And the SIM card you can just check here. This is a global SIM card. The global SIM is good for 174 countries. Actually, we also have some other SIM cards. Yeah, this is just a different SIM card plan. Here is some other SIM card, global SIM, which can achieve 200 countries and regions. But the 200 countries and regions, it is not in one SIM. It's in different SIM card, and it's different SIM card plan. The one that we offer to the American market, no matter it is North American or South American, it is this one. If you want Mexico SIM, Canada SIM, we have special Mexico and Canada, USA 3-in-1 SIM. Just tell us where you're going to use this walkie-talkie, then we can offer you the SIM card to work on this walkie-talkie. The SIM card, after you get it, it's just ready to use. You don't need to buy you don't need to set or activate by yourself. Insert it on your radio, it will work. Okay. We use the AI noise reduction technology on this walkie-talkie on the G8 Plus model. Yeah. So when you're using it to talk in a very noisy environment, it still works great. Okay. Backlight continue time 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds. Okay. And number 8, those are some quick buttons. Step size, those are some quick buttons. We can just click those buttons and then we can set the radio by ourselves. It's not very hard. Actually, it's easy. Beside the walkie-talkie, if you want a head mic, okay, for the 528 Plus model and the G8 Plus model, there's the head mic. The head mic is for sale. It is $35 for the head mic. You can buy the parts through the TK shop. Okay, through the TK shop. Connect to the radio, it will work. Press the PTT button, we can send the message out. Yeah, it is very convenient to use and to carry it around. There's a clips on it. Okay, there's a clips on it. If you want to connect to another earpiece, yeah, there is a hole here. You can connect another earpiece. SIM card in a walkie-talkie. When you order the radio, the SIM card it will be included. Okay, you don't need to buy a separate SIM card. But the SIM card, it is good for 1 year. So every year we need to renew SIM card or buy new SIM. Yeah, if you want to renew the SIM card, it is here. There's a card number. You need to leave us your card number. Okay, and then we can help you renew it. The price for renew SIM card or buy new SIM is the same. It's $35. Okay. If your order is more than 20, I can lower the price to $25 each for the SIM card. That's the price for our dealers. The G8 Plus model I recommend best compared to the other models because it has a much stable 4G reception. It has a better and much stable 4G reception. We can get the 4G signal, very stable. You know, I just compared to the phone. The other day, I go to the sea, beside the sea, and the phone there's no more signal, but this walkie-talkie still works good. Still has a better it has a better 4G reception compared to your phone. Or you know, walkie-talkie, we normally we're gonna to use it for business, for professional use, but the phone is for daily use, for play. Yeah, it is a professional communication tools. When we use it for work, and we use it for some special purpose, like for family use. Like if we go out, we go out to travel. Yeah, we can use this walkie-talkie. We go out to travel with the car team. Okay, we use this walkie-talkie to communicate between the team members. If we go out to travel, we travel to the other country, not in the local country, and you want to use this walkie-talkie to talk instead of your phone, you don't need to pay the subscription fee or monthly fee. As long as you get the 4G, it can work. And the SIM card is a global SIM, so you don't need to buy new SIM, or you don't need to use your phone to talk when you travel around. So it's very convenient, especially for someone always go around from one country to another, okay, go over the world. For international business, this walkie-talkie is really a good helper for you guys. And even we are just talking in a very noisy condition, like the construction team, like the concert, Yeah, we can still hear a clear and loud voice. The head mic is very convenient, but the head mic is not included in the package box, guys. So if you want a head mic, you can buy a separate head mic from the TikTok, okay, or from me directly. Yeah, we can accept PayPal payment, and then you can pay us. We will arrange the shipment. The G8 Plus model, I will pass it and show some other models from global-ptt. About programming or how to add the radios, yeah, I can show you later. Yeah, those radios, the programming actually is not very hard. We can click the buttons directly on the radio, then we can set the frequency, and also this one we can just directly set the frequency on it. Yeah, and about the adding members, yeah, about adding new members, we can do it through the global-ptt platform. Okay, just adding members through the agent account. Yeah, we can add in members here, and we can use the company account to check the group members. Okay, to check the users, and we can divide them to different groups, to different small groups to manage them. Actually, there is no member limit. There is no group limit for the radio that we can set on it. We can set many groups, 100 groups, 200 groups on one radio, just as you need. Okay, next, guys, I want to show a super cool one, the G6 model. The G6 model, guys, is made from metal. And this one is the first and only metal radios from global-ptt that are GPS and SOS. The other radios are not metal. G0 model with GPS and SOS, but it is not metal, it is ABS materials. Okay, and this one is G6 Plus model, it is metal. There is the SOS button here. Press the SOS button, the SOS alarm will send out. Okay, and we can check it on the dispatcher. We can check it in the global-ptt dispatcher account. You will notice the SOS red dot. It will appear on the screen. Yeah, and only until we press the PTT button, the emergency alarm, it will stop. Here is the green color. Okay, there are three colors: green color, silver color, and black color. And we press the menu button. Okay, we press the menu button. We can check the menu of this walkie-talkie. It is a very simple menu.
Set mine. Group.
Hello, Gasper Martin Chen. I think you want to call me, right? Later on, I will just call you. I send you a message, but you don't answer me yet. Okay, and here is the G6 Plus model. There are three colors to choose. For me, I like the silver color best. Okay, and actually you damage two radios. If we want you to pay the two damaged radios, that the price will be at least $520 for the two damaged radio. We send you 6 radios, yeah, but you pay for only, yeah, and there are 2 radios, they are damaged. Yeah, but we don't request a compensation for that, yeah, because you are our old client. Later on, we can discuss about it. Okay, this one is the G6 Plus model. The G6 Plus model, it works great, and it is a global band. The global band 4G radios can get a very stable 4G reception no matter where you are. Yeah. And if you go to America, you go to Mexico, or you travel to Canada, just with the same card we offer to you, you can use it. It will work. The 4G reception for the G6 Plus is the same, good with the 528 Plus and the G8 Plus model, but it's a single mode. So when we lost 4G connection, the G6 Plus model, it will not work anymore. but the G8 Plus model, they still can work. Yeah, they still can work. The 528 Plus model, they can still work. They can work both under the global PTT and UHF analog. Yeah, and this one is the global PTT, UHF, and VHF. It is a 3-in-1. 3-in-1 4G radios. Here is the 3 new products from Global PTT, and every year we're going to have 10 more new different designs from Global PTT. Yeah, if you want to become our dealer, you want to become our distributor, yeah, you can come to us. You can check our customer service, or you can find an agent. We can help you how to become our dealer or how to become our agent. For the first order, it must be more than 10 radios. Then you can become our dealer. We will offer you an agent account. Okay, we will offer you an agent account, and you can just use your agent account to manage the radios just by yourself. You can see here. You can use the agent account to manage the radios, to manage the customers. With agent account, you can delete or you can add IMEI by yourself. And then this is G6. I'm going to pass it and show some other popular items from Global PTT. They are not dual mode. They are all single mode here, the small ones, but they works great because they are global band. Like this one, the G9 model. Okay, the G9 model, it is a global band 4G radios. Okay, we're going to check the menu here. Come to the member. Okay, we're going to check the member. David, our friend David is online, and another friend Omar, he is online too. Actually, they are from different country, and they are both our clients, our old friends. We also have other guys from the other country like UK, okay, Bahamas. They are now in our group. Yeah, if you want to join us here in NYC PTT group, I can join you here in NYC PTT group. Okay, press the PTT button. We can send the message out. The antenna is a removable one. Yeah, we can remove antenna, but after we remove the antenna, we will lose 4G. It will not work anymore. And you can check here is the SIM card. Okay, with the SIM card, you can achieve the international call. Yeah, this one is G9. It is global band 4G radios, and here is the global SIM. Yeah. This SIM card is good for American use, but we also have some other, SIM card plan, yeah, for you to use in different countries. Like if you are in Africa, yeah, you can use it. If you are in Canada, you can use it. If you are in Spain, you can use it. Just a different SIM card plan. Okay, and the SIM card, it is an international SIM, so no matter where you go, yeah, it will work. Okay, just as long as you can get the 4G signal, it will work. This is G9. The price for the G9 without GPS function, it is 266. With GPS functions, 286 per pair with yearly SIM card. Yeah. And for dealers or for agents, if you are just a beginner, we can offer buy 10 free 2. Yeah. If you have your own business, you have offline business, we can offer a better price, and the order quantity, it will be higher, not 10 radios, not 20 radios, it will be hundreds. Then we can offer a better price. Okay, for agents, the agent account, okay, we will offer to you. And we have the agent protection system. We have the agent protection system. So if you become our agent, we can protect your profits. From the different agent, the radios are not compatible with each other. That's the agent protect system we set. Okay, for our agent to protect the profit of our agents. Okay, do you like small radios? I'm going to review last two small radios, then we will finish our live. I want to review actually there's two metal radios. Here is the silver G380 model metal radios, and this one is the silver G6 model metal radios. Both of them works great under the global-ptt 4G mode. Okay, and it is global band, worldwide range. Yeah, if you like those radios, you can check our website, or you can go to our shop, find the G388 model, G6 model, and you can order it. Thank you guys for coming to our live. We're gonna to finish the live. Later on, we will open the TK live. Okay, bye bye.